Okay guys, what's up? And this is the journey of Louis Chris. And right now I have a contract. This house over right here is just to feed the animals, the dog, chicken, and pig. So every one day, so I will going to feed 2 times. So yeah, and I will going to keep on fed for 3 days until the owner will be arrive. So yeah, that is my simple task from the owner, that he want to take a responsibility with me. So yeah, and also if in next day or next week, I guess I will going to Davao because I have a on-calling CCTV installation process. So for those one to install configure CCTV, just call me. So here's my phone number. I will going to share on the screen. And yeah, so right now that is my job right now. So my job today is done, so I have 2 days left. So everything's alright, and see you on the next personal vlog. Peace.